Hey guys, in this video we're gonna install this Borena faucet, kitchen faucet. Just bought this today, just opened it up. There's the parts, and we're gonna replace this existing faucet. So, first thing you gotta do is gotta look in the back here, look underneath, and that's where it is. You gotta take out all those bolts, take out the bolts, and then just make sure before you do anything else, you shut the cold water and hot water. And if you have like flashlights and cloth underneath, that would really help. So make sure everything is shut down to prevent any water leaks, and we'll go from there. We'll just take those out, take out the holes, those bolts in there, and we'll see how it goes. I can't video this while I do this, so I'll just keep you posted. So I was able to take it out using, took out the bolt. That's what it looks like. Oh, there it is. You just have to pull this up. There it is, and then I think you just pull it all the way up to take it out. Okay, give me one sec, Tay. Oh. Yeah, tumutulong nga. Ready, shut this down. Make sure shut this down. Shut down. Yeah, but this is still pouring. Okay, seem to be having a little problem here. This water is not shutting down, so I just put something temporary up here. So I'm gonna install this quickly, guys. I've already shut down the main valves, but it's not shutting down anymore, so we'll see what happens. So as you can see, this is a different faucet because the one I bought did not come with a supply line. And when I went to the store, asked for what kind of supply line I need, the guy doesn't even know which one I should get. So I grabbed this new new faucet instead, and it comes with the supply line. And right now I'm just installing the hose part. Yeah, so I pulled the hose all the way out, and so that brings this little guy up there. So you can see I'm still pulling it. So you want that all the way up. And I think I like this one because it has a special locking nut over there. So one of the things that we've learned is that you need to look at that. You scratch it already. Jeez. So yeah, position this to the side where you want it to go, the handle. So on the right side before you do anything. And then once you come down here, I've already done it. I've already inserted the lock. Not here, but they're all loose, right? So you can see. That's why you gotta position it first on the top. And then once you're ready, or you're happy with the position, just keep turning this, locking it. And it comes with there's a tool. And I'm so glad that these guys has a tool that comes with it. So you put this tool in there. Put this tool right there and just keep turning. It's a little bit, there it is. Come on, focus. And just keep turning to the right. So this is the tool, right? So just keep turning it to the right until that is tightened. And this is really a good design as well, because I've already put in my water line. I've already plugged in my water line. So the previous design is that you gotta take the whole thing out because it's not slotted like this. This is slick. This is really nice. This is well done. Okay, I'm just gonna tighten it up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got it to our liking where the handle needs to be. The next step is to pull this out, install that final nut, install the final nut in there, pull this out like so, and then install the weight. Install the weight. I think I want it to go on the inside. Sorry, yeah, there you go, on the inside. Stop. Can you hold that? Can you video? Video muna. Install the weight, and then install this one. So just tighten it up. What is this for? Yeah. And the next step is basically to push this up all the way through until you hear the click, and that should lock it in place. And so that is our weight. So when we pull this up, there you go. It should pull back up. There you go. That seems to work. Pretty much done with the... Pretty much done here. Turn this back on. Turn that back on. Make sure what you can do is tighten everything up. Make sure that it's all tight. Push it on. Push it on. Yeah. And let's give it a try. There you go. Seems to be working. Nice, nice. I think you're supposed to let it run for 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 seconds. Allow full hot water and full cold to run for at least 15 seconds each. Okay, so let's do that. Okay guys, so here's the final product of this installation. Pretty straightforward actually. Cold water, hot water, and I mean it's nice, but I think I'm gonna return this because I think it's easy to scratch according to reviews that I've read anyways. It's so easy to, you see the paint that are already coming out. I mean I bought this today and the paint are already coming out, and I don't know, it's pretty easy to install. Nothing wrong with the installation, but I think I'm just gonna get a stainless steel so it matches with the rest of the kitchen. And yeah, that's about it guys. I mean I won't be able to install the soap dispenser because I don't have a drill. I gotta drill it on this side. Yeah, so that might have to wait because I don't have a drill for that. But yes, installation wise, it's all good, it's all done. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, installation videos. Alright, see ya, bye.